Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PayPal credit option for buy now pay later, and here's the breakdown. If you want to spread out payments without paying interest right away, PayPal has a couple of solid buy now pay later options that make life easier at checkpoint. The most common one is Pay in 4, which splits your purchase into 4 equal payments with no interest. You just pay every 2 weeks. It ideal for everyday items or impulse buy without a big commitment. For bigger expenses, PayPal credit work like a reusable line of credit that lets you pay over time, often with promotional offer like 0% interest if you pay within a set period. It's great for larger purchases you don't want to pay at once, but make sure you check the terms so you avoid interest later. So if this helps you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and comment which PayPal credit option you would like to use first. And that's it.